So today, my dad will be eating a very, very hot chip. Me and my dad will be reading it right now.
So
It's the
we're going to do this Paqui One Chip Challenge, the 2022 version, which apparently turns your tongue blue and is really, really hot out of all of them. I've done them in the past, and I guess this one's supposed to be spicy. So let's dig into this, and we'll see what we got going on.
Look at the background. Look in the back.
My son's being really funny right now. I told him he's not allowed to get in the video, and he is getting in the video.
I just can't show my face. That's all you said.
Yeah.
All he said is that I can't show my face.
Let's open this up here. We got what to expect. Tongue takeover. Shock to the senses. Surge of tears. Jolt to the gut. And voltage overload.
Can I show it to them?
It says, hold on. The One Chip Challenge says it's simple being a simple being that thinks they can handle a surge of extreme heat. Versus the Reaper, the supercharged demon powered by the most electrifying peppers on earth. That's
Are you talking about Diablo and talking about chips at the same
okay.
time?
So let me one supercharged demon powered by the most electrifying peppers on earth. Yeah, that's
what is this?
So that's interesting. They got little information
what
on the
is
inside.
This? A Diablo
and
chip
here we
challenge?
go. Here's the chip. It feels pretty much intact this time. And then there's I guess we don't get to see this one yet. It's my reward for doing this challenge.
And I'll
this is the rules. Here's the rules.
I'm gonna go for the back.
The rules on this. Eat the entire chip. Prove it. Show your tongue. Wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything. Post your reaction on social media with hashtag One Chip Challenge and mention @PaquiChips. I guess that's the rule of eating this, even though I had to pay $10 for this. That's the inside of this one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do it. And then, I guess I get a bag of the lesser spicy chips. That's pretty cool. Okay, so it says, how long can you last before you short circuit? Eating or drinking anything for relief. 1 minute powerless, 10 minutes powerful.
I need to show my muscle.
30 minutes supercharged and 1 hour invincible. And that's nice and cute right here.
Let me see. Can I read it?
Yeah, just don't read it out loud. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to try this chip out. And I'm sure it's going to be super spicy. And I can smell the peppers in it, but it smells like a pepper. It smells like the inside of one of the peppers, but it looks evil.
You're probably going to only make
this looks... Oh, look at that. I thought I might actually get a full chip here. But it's almost black.
My dad's probably only going to make it till like 30 minutes. Probably.
I'm getting a lot of help here from my son.
Maybe an hour.
Okay. So, right now we're going to go ahead and do this. So, bon appetit, I guess.
That's hot. This man's taking it like a champ. Okay.
This one's spicier than the last one.
Echo, set a timer for 1 minute.
All right.
Can I see your tongue?
So yes, it does turn your tongue and teeth blue. It's pretty spicy. I'm already feeling like the saliva building up. I can feel it mostly in the back of my tongue. They're like really far back. Yeah, this is going to be a challenge for sure. Ah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's made it through 1 minute. Echo. Stop.
So, I mean,
Echo.
I think I might be getting a
Set
little
a
bit
timer
of
for
sweat
10
going.
minutes.
And it's pretty spicy. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't spit it out or anything like that, but I'm not joking. It's for real. This one is a lot spicier than the last one. It's kind of weird because now it's moved and it's not really on the back of my tongue anymore. It's now on like the sides of my tongue. And I mean,
Can I
it's
see your tongue?
you're not supposed to be in this video.
You saw nothing. I didn't mean to. I just tried to
I think I got a little bit of a nose run going now. He's really trying to get in this video. Get out of the video. I'm going to have to crop you out. All right, so we're going on, what do I want to say, about 2 minutes now.
Yeah, Echo. Show timer.
It's definitely on the back and the sides of my
8
tongue.
minutes and 30 seconds left till you become powerful. Okay, Dan?
Huh?
8 minutes and 30 seconds left till you become powerful.
Oh, you said a longer timer? Well, apparently I have to at least go the 10 minutes because my son said so before I can have anything else. But I think it's going away a little bit now. Yeah, that was definitely more powerful than the last one that I had. I wish I had a video for you guys, but it got lost. He can't listen to instructions at all.
You actually should be real proud of yourself.
But yeah, that's weird.
I
So something new is I can actually feel it like here on the back of my back of my cheeks, like by my jaws, almost by my ears. It's weird. It's really strange. I still have the saliva, but not as much. And it's kind of slowed down a little bit. The runny nose is definitely increased. Go football. Yay, football.
I play football, by the way. That's why I got this
Go.
muscle.
Silly. So yeah, I guess he's going to actually make me wait the full 10 minutes.
You don't have to. Dad, you should actually be proud of yourself. Because I wouldn't even have been able to handle it through 1 second.
It's kind of fading now. I mean, it was definitely very, very spicy. But how long, I think, really doesn't. I mean, it was pretty spicy. I'm not going to lie. Ha. Ow. That actually, I think the back of my tongue might have swelled up a little bit because that kind of hurt. That was interesting. Uh, Sticking my tongue out actually kind of made like a, I don't know, it kind of hurt on the sides of my tongue. Just like right in that area. But I mean, it was definitely spicy. Definitely spicy. Definitely worse than last year. But I mean, I'm still in pretty good shape. I would definitely have to say that the uh, the actual peppers are spicier than that. I had a harder time with like eating the whole ghost peppers and the whole Carolina Reaper peppers. I think that's probably partially due to the seeds, but I mean, we'll see later on, like way later on, if it affects my stomach or anything like that. But right now, I mean, it's actually, what are we? Uh, like 5 minutes in or 7 minutes in, six, whatever it is. And most of the effects are gone. It's slowly going away from my tongue, and it moved from the back to the sides, and now it's kind of dissipating on the sides a little bit. I still have a lot of saliva buildup, but I know you guys are really enjoying me, like blowing my nose in this thing, or I mean, wiping my nose in this thing. I am trying not to touch anything with my blue fingers. I don't know if you can see that, but I still have a little bit of powder on there from the chip. But it's gone. Nothing in there. Ah. Okay, that didn't hurt as bad, so we're good to go. Ooh. Paqui, this is absolutely your best chip challenge yet. Um, I am it like I don't like I said we're however many minutes into it and I'm done. I like it's not really what I'm feeling now is more close to their ghost pepper chips that they sell. They're pretty spicy for a regular off the counter chip, but especially when you get into eating like just pounding them. But yeah, for sure, this this chip right here definitely is your best one yet. I mean, it is pretty on fire, like pretty spicy. And I guess I get to hold this up and say that I crushed the Paqui 2022 One Chip Challenge. And my tongue is blue. Ah. Um, where we're at right now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this video because it's not getting any spicier at all. And I mean, as a matter of fact, it's going away. So, I mean, there we go, guys. It's One Chip Challenge 2022 done. Um, Hopefully, the later on stuff doesn't actually affect my tummy. Uh, Further down, obviously that would be horrible. But good times. So, God bless. You guys have a good one.